Question number 26 is find the value of k if the function is continuous at the indicated point. So for the first function, it is given that function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. And if you observe the function x is not equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2. That means here we can write since function is continuous at x equals to pi by 2. So we will write limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. That means these two expressions are equal. It is given because f is continuous at this point. Now we will find, suppose this we will consider as equation 1. So we will find limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. Now x tends to pi by 2 means x is not equal to pi by 2. X is approaching to pi by 2. So x not equal to pi by 2 is in which case? First case. So for this limit we will consider first case. Now this is not the simple function because if you substitute the value pi by 2 here in denominator, see what will happen. 2 will get cancelled, pi minus pi 0. So denominator will become 0. That means we can go with the substitution method from class 11. So what is substitution method here? Put x equals to pi by 2 plus h. Okay. Since x tends to pi by 2 is there, so we will substitute x. This sign will become equal pi by 2 and plus small increment. Suppose x tends to 3, so substitution will be x equal to 3 plus h. Okay. So x equal to pi by 2 plus h is the substitution. Now x tends to pi by 2. If x tends to pi by 2, so in this substitution, if x value becomes pi by 2, h value becomes 0. That means h approaches to 0. When x approaches to pi by 2, so pi by 2 minus pi by 2 will be 0. H approaches to 0. Now this substitution we will substitute here in the limit. So in place of x tends to pi by 2, we will substitute h tends to 0 here. K will be same. Cos, in place of x we will substitute pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2. X is pi by 2 plus h. Okay. Now next step will be, see, cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta using a light angle will be minus sine theta. But here theta is h, so minus sine h. Okay. And see, with 2 will open the bracket. So 2 pi by 2, 2 will get cancelled. Will be left with pi minus plus minus 2h. Okay, so this pi will go here. So in denominator, the only remaining term is minus 2h. So we will write equals to limit h tends to 0 minus sine h, k is also there, divided by minus 2h. Now if you observe minus we can cancel, and this k by 2 we can take outside because this is constant. Now what is this? This is one of the formula of limit. Sine h by h is equal to 1. So k by 2 equals to 1. Since limit h tends to 0, sine h by h is equal to 1. So answer is k by 2. This is equation 2. And f of pi by 3 at x equal to pi by 2. Answer in question it is given that f of pi by 2 is 3. This is equation 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 what we can write? From 1, 2 and 3, these two expressions are equal. That means k by 2 equals to 3. So value of k will be 6.